Video na ba?
Oo.
So this is our data set in the cat. Total of 500 pictures, but not all. So as you can see, there are different kind of angle of the cat. There's another one have humans. Look, so many angles. One kissing in the kiss. So that's it for the cat, and we will go to the dog. It's a data set of the dog. As you can see, there's a different kind of dog, different breed. Oh, there's a dog like that. You can see different angle again. Side view, front view. Oh, there's a kissing again. Kissing scene again. So that's all for our dogs. As you can see, we'll run our code now. We'll type in the terminal python train.py. As you can see, we have here 2/250 epoch, like that.
Pero iteration.
What's the iteration?
Balik-balik yun.
So this is accuracy, first accuracy 63. So from the time goes by, it will go up like this. It is 92, epoch 43. So times go by, it will go up like this. It will go to 94. The accuracy of our program is 94. Times go by. So this is epoch. This is currently rendering. So epoch 74/250. Update for rendering. It is 80/250 epoch. The accuracy is still 90%. You know, see that?
Above 90%.
Above 90% now. It is 94. Again, it is 93. So the times go by, it will going up. I hope it will go to 99%. As of now, we are epoch 100/250. So our training accuracy is 94%. 94. See that? And our validation accuracy is 98. Wow, 98. So we have here 99. So our validation accuracy is 99%. So I hope it will go to 100%. So that's all for now.
Three, two, one, go.
We're currently rendering. Kay mo naman siya advance ana adjust based on your data set. So
Mo na na.
pila ka ba ng data set? 50 lang yun. Dapat takas ni. Ano ibalik?
Mahalak dira. As of now, we have 200% in validation accuracy, and that chain accuracy is still at the 90% up.
After we run the program and after the rendering, this is the output. This is the cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog. You see the dog, cat, cat, cat. So the program can identify. So thank you.
So this is our modified code. As you can see, it has a lot of changes
By ChatGPT.
by ChatGPT.
So that's all for our machine learning.
For our dog and cat, recognizing dog and cat.
So thank you, Miss.
Miss Burden. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you next time.